About these questions, let's we do a test.
1.28 gallons is approximated equal to 4.85 liters. Because I'm at home, so I only have electric kettles, and so I need to use the electric kettles to fill the water into the toilet tanks, and my electric kettles max liters is 1.5 liters. So I need to fill the water like 3 times. And now I'm pouring sauce to simulate the urite success rate to see if it can be flashed cleaned. And as you can see, it's okay. And now I throw in a paperboard to simulate the stored success rate to see if it can be flash cleaned. Yeah, it's okay too. Because the electric kettle is 1.5 liters, and I use it to fill the water into the toilet tanks 3 times. So now the toilet tank's water volume is less than 1.28 gallons. And we can see the water level height is 14 centimeters. And my company can give you 2 advice to keep the water level every time. And the first advice is use a adjustable toilet wheel. You can adjust the toilet wheel height to adjust the water level. And now you can lower the toilet wheel height to reduce the water intake. And the second way is using a water saving bag. This way, you don't need to adjust the toilet wheel. You just need to put the water saving bag into the toilet tanks, and it will raise up your original water level. And when the water filling into the toilet tanks, it will quickly to get the shut off point of the toilet wheel, and that will help you to saving waters.